In this tutorial, I will show you how to slice a photo in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log in to your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, open an existing design or create a new project where you want to add the sliced photo effect. After the editor opens, upload the image you want to slice. Go to the Uploads panel on the left side and click Upload Files to add a photo from your device. Once the image is uploaded, place it on your canvas. Next, go to the Apps section on the left sidebar and search for the app called Choppy Crop. Open the Choppy Crop tool to start slicing your photo. Inside the app, select the image you want to slice. Then create a slicing pattern by clicking different points across the image. Each click creates a line that divides the photo into separate segments. You can create straight lines for a clean design or zigzag shapes for a more creative effect. Once you finish setting the slicing pattern, click Add to Design. Canva will generate the sliced version of the image and place the separated pieces onto your canvas. After the slices appear, you can move the segments around, rotate them, or add spacing between them to create a unique visual effect. You can also add backgrounds, colors, or text between the slices to make the design more interesting. That is how you slice a photo in Canva.